Making a website can be time-consuming, even with modern site building tools. Notion lets you turn any page into a public website in just a few clicks. In this video, we'll show you how to instantly publish a Notion page to the web. We'll explain how you can allow other Notion users to duplicate your page into their workspace. And we'll show you around Notion's rich template gallery. You'll see how you can make it even richer by potentially adding your own template to our collection. Our Need to Publish to Web feature comes in handy more often than you'd think. Use it to share an employee handbook with your entire company, a resume with a hiring manager, a public knowledge base of your favorite video games, recipes with your family, a website for your business, or a travel blog. You don't need to have a Notion account to view these web pages. They exist on the internet just like any other site. So this feature is particularly helpful when you want to share your creations with someone who doesn't use Notion yet. First, let us show you how to make your page public. Go to the page you want to publish to the web and click on its Share menu at the top right. You'll notice two tabs, Share and Publish. Let's start with Publish. Clicking on this Publish to Web button will publish this Notion page alongside all the subpages or databases nested inside it to the web. Let's do it. In just a click of the mouse, this Notion page now exists as a public URL. To copy the link, click here. Note that the public link is different than the one provided here, which you may share with other people in the workspace so they can edit the page from their Notion account. To be directed to the website, go to View Site. Lovely! This careers page is now its own website, and subpages work is expected to open the content as its own page. A quick and easy way to advertise job openings via email, text message, Slack, or however you like, with no coding help needed. Also, whenever changes are made to your Notion page, updates will show up instantly on the public version. Now, let's go through every option of the Publish menu. Link Expires enables you to give your URL an expiration date. Your options are an hour from now, a day or a week from now, or a specific date in the calendar. This option is ideal for content that is timely but not sensitive, or for sensitive content where you want to mitigate sharing duration. If you don't want your link to ever expire, make sure Never is selected in the dropdown. Turn the Allow Editing toggle on to allow any Notion user who is logged in while viewing this page to edit its content. They would only need to click on the Edit button located here and make the changes they want. Those will update in real time, both on the web page and in the Notion app. Similarly, to allow comments on your page from any Notion user, leave this toggle on. These options are useful if you want to quickly get people's feedback on a page. Just shoot them the link and they're good to go. If you turn search engine indexing on, your Notion page will be indexed by search engines like Google. In other words, it can be included in search results. This may be useful for something like a blog or career site, but you can also keep it disabled for more privacy. Finally, Allow Duplicate as Template lets anyone copy your page into their own Notion workspace, where they can customize it for themselves. When this option is activated, the Duplicate button will appear at the top right of your web page. This is really useful for quickly sharing templates with other Notion users. To duplicate your page into their workspace, folks would simply have to click this button while logged into their Notion account, then choose the workspace where they'd like to store it. A copy of your page would then appear in the private section of their workspace sidebar, just like this. By the way, you should have a look at our templates gallery at notion.com/templates. It's the host-curated list of templates built by us, as well as our wonderful community of users, including leading startups and influencers. A catalog to learn, get inspired from, and contribute to. You yourself can duplicate a template you like into your workspace by clicking on this button. Alternatively, should you want to submit a template of yours and potentially get featured in just a few clicks, click on the Submit a Template button at the top right of the homepage and follow the prompts. Great! Back in the Publish menu, notice that you can unpublish your page at any time by clicking on the button of the same name. And before we go, let's have a look at the Share tab. In this section, you get to decide how you want the page to be shared with the people from within this Notion workspace. You can set an access level, ranging from full access to no access at all, for everyone in your workspace, as well as the members of the team space this page belongs to. Or you could use this menu to quickly grant access with the link regardless of where your page lives. To learn more about sharing options from within your Notion workspace, have a look at this tutorial. That's it for this video. With Notion, building and publishing a page to the web, even turning it into a template, has never been easier.